Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can serve up the cutest chef self-inspired outfits in DTI. That's as sweet as dessert and as sharp as a chef knife. So if you want to know the step-by-step cute self outfit tutorial in DTI, just watch the steps in this video. So first for the hair, I'm using this updo hair. Also the bangs and this masculine hair all in black, or you can also use this dark brown color. And now for the outfit, so first I'm going to go to put on this pants from the men's section, this pants in here, and I'm going to use this patterns for the pants in light silk. And now I'm going to put on this gloves, make it short with no fur, and then I'm going to go put on this skirt and change the color into white and black for the second and the third preview. For the shoe, I'm going to wear these sneakers all in black color, including the shoelace. And now put on these glasses and change the frame color into black. And here I'm going to put on this earrings. And for the head, I'm going to combine two hats. First one, put on this one in here in white color. And now I'm going to put on this on the neck and change the color into black, and also this knife as the accessory. Now go to the dressing room and put on this. Let's put on the hat first from these wool diversity updates. I'm going to put on this turban here in white color and use the same material. And now I'm going to put on this items and toggle it into shirt only, change the color into all black. Go to the currency tab and use the sleeves, change the color into white. And that's it. Now you'll have this sharp look in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.